standing right here, right now. We are here nothing but to unify, to move forward, and to save our institution. That's what it's about. Bottom line. Nothing else. So this is going to be a peaceful rally. God help us. But we're going to try to keep it peaceful. I'm not going to have this microphone for too long because my team already told me, say, Steve, give up the microphone. So cool. But while I do have it, I will use it. But other than that, everybody give it up for Miss Crystal Bodie-Smith.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
As I stand before you with concern today, we gather to reaffirm our commitment to unity, love, faith, and hope for the future of our beloved St. Augustine University. Our mission, our calling, is to preserve the 157-year legacy of this institution. We are here to fight for its survival, to ensure that it remains a beacon of education and opportunity for generations to come. We invite you to lock elbows with us to join hands in this critical endeavor. Just as Franklin D. Roosevelt once said, the test of our progress is not whether we add more to abundance of those who have much. It is whether we provide enough for those who have too little. Our current situation demands action from all of us who care about the future of St. Augustine. We face the possibility of losing the land our fathers built, the hospital where many of our family members and friends were born, and the very essence of this institution. Our students, uncertain about their futures, look to us for guidance and support. So Capital City Hope Foundation, along with Falcons Unite, Shaw & Sons Enterprises LLC, Coach George Williams, and many Falcons and friends stand here today with our students of the future. We stand with the dedicated staff of the university and the many individuals that believe that this university is worth fighting for. The ones before us and the ones after. Malcolm X wisely stated, education is our passport to the future for tomorrow. It belongs to the people who prepare for it today. So let us come together as one, breathing life into these words now and later. Action is the key to success, and today, in this moment, we lay the foundation for our collective efforts. So whether you're physically present or watching this virtually, your voice matters. It's not enough to dwell on the past accomplishment. What matters is what we do today. So let us walk this path together, united in purpose and determination. Maya Angelou reminds us, if you're going to live, leave behind a legacy. Make an impact on the world that can never be erased. And William James echoes this sentiment. The greatest purpose of life is to live it for something that will last longer than you. And as St. Augustine's University alumni, past and present, let us stand for these quotes, embodying the spirit of legacy creators. Together we will ensure that St. Augustine's continues to shine as a beacon of knowledge, resilience, and hope for the generations to come. So we thank you for being a part of this.